Alright guys, today we're working on putting my son's sandbox up finally. We've had this sandbox for a while. Me and the wife put it together a while ago, but we didn't fill it up because we was having a little graduation birthday party for our daughter. And we didn't want it getting ruined or anything like that or being in the way, so I have footage of putting this together, but I lost it because I had to get a new phone. So I apologize for that. It really wasn't nothing to putting this thing together though. As you can see right here, it was like these little brace boards or whatever that you would put every other board with the screws. They provided you with the screws. And yeah, and then these boards interlocked with each other. It was pretty straightforward, really easy to do, almost dummy proof. But yeah, sorry guys, I'm not going to have that footage for you. But what we're doing now is this tarp came with the sandbox, but we're going to go ahead and line it with some poly. It's real thick, tough plastic. I used this stuff to build a paint booth out of it, and it was real durable, it worked well. So we're going to line the bottom of this. So we're just going to get that done. I'll give you guys an update once we got that done. All right, boys. So this is where we at. This is where we at. We got the poly, the plastic laying up under the two tarps. The wife ordered, or two liners. It's not a tarp. It's a real, I don't know what you call that material, but it's not real thick. I mean, I could probably tear it with my fingers if I really tried. But it's some kind of liner that they sell with this sandbox, and the wife ordered two, so we had extra protection. How the wifey is, I love her, but she worries about everything. So yeah, but she ordered two, and the plastic is on us too. That was kind of our idea, to just kind of keep things cleaned up a little bit. Now we're going to run and get a load of sand. I think it's going to be close to, like, don't get me lying to you, but I think it's somewhere close to like 700-800 pounds of sand that we got to bring to fill this sucker up. But once I'm done with the sandbox and it's entirely full and done, I'm gonna trim all this plastic really close. You probably won't see much of it, if any. But yeah, it's just there because we lined it underneath with the plastic, and we wanted the protection, so didn't want, you know, grass or anything, which that's what this is supposed to do. But like I told you, the wifey worries. So yeah guys, just getting ready to go get this little rental truck from Home Depot, I believe, and go get a load of sand. And I believe the wife wants to take advantage, and so we got this truck and get a load of rock for the front flower beds, bush beds, whatever. Yeah, I'll get back with you boys as soon as the look at this guy. As soon as we get in that truck and we go get that sand. All right guys, so we're here at the rental truck at the white sand back there, and just about to get a load of sand for the sandbox. Alright guys, as you can see. Alright guys, as you can see, I have started to cut the plastic away flush from the edges of this. And then we're gonna bolt the seats down. Well, it's got like a little ledge where he can sit down on top. And then this thing will be done. I'd show you my little man, but he's out here in his underwear, or his diaper, and his t-shirt. So I don't want you to get pissed off. We're on the road to get monetized, boys. Thanks to all of you. First and foremost, thanks to God up above. But if it wouldn't be for you guys, it wouldn't be where I'm at. So I appreciate each and every single one of you. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep getting this cut. And I'll come through and cut the little flares that I leave off. I'm not cutting it perfect right now. Rained yesterday, so got some puddles on the plastic, but so it's a messy job, but my boy will enjoy it. That's all that matters. That's what I live for. Alright guys, there they are, just mocked up or placed on top. My boy just took one off, but just gonna get these things screwed down. As you can see, it's got its own little holes. Get it screwed down, and yeah. And there you have it, guys. It's covered up with its own little fitted tarp-like thing. But it's all, I believe it's even waterproof. But my wife put a little kiddie pool in the middle, so they hold it up and let the water run off of it, versus it sitting on top. If we've been getting a lot of rain here lately in Virginia, and yeah, smart move, baby. Good job. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was a help to someone out there. Sorry I lost the early footage of putting this together, but like I mentioned, it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty dummy proof, so can't really mess up. Yeah guys, there you have it. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like, and don't forget to smash the bell icon down below to get notifications whenever we drop new content, new videos. We don't just do trucking, and we don't just work on Hondas. We do a little bit of everything. We always doing stuff around here. So yeah, there you have it, boys. There it is.
Alright guys, so while we was getting the sand for the sandbox, we went and got some rock. We're going to try that out in front of the house. Haven't ever done that before, so we're going to see what it's going to look like. This is a little bit before, and show you as the process goes on. Got Uriah over here on the pile of rocks. He's enjoying it, putting them in buckets.
Alright, as y'all can see right now, that's what it looks like on this side. I'll get y'all more shot, but my wife's over there bent over. Can't do that, boys. So, but yeah, that's what it looks like right now. You can see it's kind of crazy, and she's also. I had to run my daughter to work, so went to get the load of gravel of white rock with her, and then I had to come back for getting all this done since I got the truck still. So yeah, I think this will make the house look better in the front for sure. And pressure wise, house been pressure washed for the summer, so. All right, guys, there you have it. Now, these rocks will turn the same color as these because these were once like that. They got some type of white powdery stuff on them that makes them look like that, but after they get enough rain, it all evens up. Definitely think it looks better already. We still got to get this trim piece right here that we did for this little walkway. We're going to run this along here, and you won't see the black plastic either. And yeah, guys, definitely looks better. I like it. I like it a lot.